What am I looking at? I'm looking at our sales office, and I'm looking at an Incredibox and an addibox. I've got this camera on a tripod. Amanda's not with us here today, but I just wanted to point out really quick, this is an Incredibox, a 16-footer. This is the addibox. And look at the courtyard that we have here. You could actually extend this roof over and have another, this would be a covered porch. We ended up bringing this other Incredibox to the side just to show you how you can keep adding these homes. This one's brought up because we have a window there and a tongue. You can move them backwards, forwards, put them on the end, the side. So you're talking about kitchen, right? Bathroom. One way you could do it. And we even talked about maybe putting the kitchen in the back and having a dining room. So it'd be kitchen, dining room. Then you could have bathroom, bathroom, bedroom, bedroom. 2 bedroom, 2 bath, kitchen, bedroom. You're talking about almost a little over 500 square feet on all these right here. If you get them a DIY, you can get it for $17,500. Put them all together, each one of them $17,500, or you can get them to where we can add more to them. You can get your 2.0 panels, $2,500 more. You get the big panels. There's so many variations and options you can do this. Go to our website, IncredibleTinyHomes.com. Go in there, see what you can build. Call our office. Go to sales@IncredibleTinyHomes.com. These guys will help you out. Try to put all these together. 22 different amenities, off-grid options, solar power, water catchment, you name it. Guys, you're not going to find a better deal at a lower cost price than anything in this right here. All right, I got to go and turn this button off now. Okay, bye. I'm a one-man show here. I got to turn it off and turn it on.
Yeah, I know. That's what happens when Amanda gets...
Oh, I know it.